Dance Gatha is not just a course, it's your story, my story, and a journey of someone who finds peace, happiness, and freedom in movement. Whether you're a beginner finding your groove or someone who has lived dance for years but wants to define their expression and technique, you're in the right place. This course has been designed with love, precision, and my years of experience to give you more than just choreography. In this course, you will learn beautifully broken down choreographies on handpicked songs, pro tips from my personal dance diary, the do's and don'ts to protect your body and elevate your style, correct postures and expression that speaks louder than words, and the power of mirror practice. And there is a lot more that will bring out your inner performer. And guess what? If you want more personalized attention, we also offer optional live personal sessions with me where I will guide you one-on-one or in small groups where you can ask questions, get feedbacks, and grow faster. Dance Gatha is not just a course. It's a space where you involve, express, and feel alive. And I promise it's worth every single penny because you're investing in something that lights you up from inside. So, if dance makes your soul smile, don't ignore that feeling. Follow it and let's build your dance story together. Enroll now. If this course adds value to your life, then share it with your friends and spread the joy because joy shared is joy multiplied. And always remember, never give up on dreams that makes you feel alive. They are your truth. They are your magic. So let's bring out the magic to the life with Dance Gatha with me, Parul Malhotra. Let's dance, dream, and grow together.